So here's a really good algebra question. We want to find a value of a for which f of a will be less than a. In order to make f of a less than a, I want to try to minimize the difference between 3x and 17. So I'm going to pick 5 and plug it in and see what happens. So f of 5 is going to equal the absolute value of 3 times 5 minus 17. When we evaluate that, we get f of 5 equals the absolute value of negative 2. The absolute value of negative 2 is 2, and 2 is indeed less than 5. So immediately, we've found our solution just by plugging a number in. For those of you who might be more comfortable doing this algebraically, even though it might be a little bit more difficult, here's how we would do it. We have an absolute value function. That means when we're finding the boundaries of what a might be, we're going to need two equations. The first is going to be 3a minus 17 equals a. When we evaluate this, we get 2a equals 17. And a equals 8.5. To find our minimum boundary, we're going to take the opposite of 3a equals 17, negative 3a plus 17. When we evaluate that, we get 4a equals 17, or a equals 4.25. From finding those boundaries, we know that the value we choose for a to satisfy the requirement has to fall between 4.25 and 8.5. If we look back at what we did in the beginning, we see that we chose 5, and that is correct.